Oh, sorry, how was I starting? Hi, I'm Tatiyana, and I'm going to be showing you how to get this festive Valentine's Day look. I love this look because it's so fun and flirty. Best of all, it looks great in person or on a virtual date, and it only takes about 30 minutes, so let's go. Step 1, foundation. So today I'm starting off with foundation because I'm doing a natural look and don't have to worry about the fallout. Don't forget to put foundation on your neck and chest since you're having a virtual date and you don't want a floating head. Step 2, brows. I love doing my brows after I do my foundation so I can go in after with concealer and shape them up. Make sure your eyebrow starts where your inner corner is of your eye. Your arch is right where your middle of the pupil is. And then the ending of your eyebrow is right where your eye ends. So everything is framed perfectly. So while I'm doing my brows, I love to brush them up so you don't have color just stuck in one area. And there we go. Step 3, concealer. Depending on your skin tone, you might want to mix 2 shades of concealer, but make sure it is 1 shade lighter than your skin tone. Don't forget concealer under your eyes. We want to bring that brightness out, cover up any dark circles. And I'm using the same sponge as my foundation to blend it all in. Make sure to never have the lighting in the back of you since you are on a virtual date and you always want the brightest light in front of you. So right now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer down my nose just so my face doesn't fall flat over the screen. Step 4, contour. I love to start off with creams, then go in with powders just so I can really put depth into my face. I love everything about makeup, but my favorite part is actually contouring. I love to shape my face. You can create any type of face shape you want. If you want a smaller nose, if you want a wider nose, if you want a thinner jawline, if you want more cheekbones, so that's definitely my favorite part about creating. You don't need a lot of contour. Put some on the back of your hand and go fill your cheekbone and go right underneath. And do not go past the end of your eyebrow. That is now going to give depth into your face and give you some cheekbones. Take a little bit more contour, add it under your chin, and that's going to give depth right underneath this area. If you have a bigger forehead, you can contour all around. And if you have a smaller forehead, you can just go in at the top and add some depth, because we all like a nice sun-kissed look. Whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to take it at the tip of my nose and on the sides. And that way my face and my nose won't fall flat in screen. Step 5, powder. This step is optional, depending on your skin. So if you have more oily skin, you can put it all over. And if you have dry skin, like I do, then you could just go in right at your T-zone where the hot spot is. So you can take a big fluffy brush of your choice and go in with the powder and just slightly brush your face, and it will tone down any shine. Now that I've set my face, I'm gonna go into a powder blush. So I love putting blush on because it adds color back into the face and it gives a nice youthful look. At the tip of your nose. Don't be shy, you can always blend it out. Now you can take the brush from your face powder and just blend it all out. Step 6, eyes. Since we powdered underneath our eyes, we do not have to worry about any fallout. Right at the crease, you're gonna go in with the transition color, which could be 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone, as that is gonna put depth in the crease. Always start off with less products because it's easier to build more than to take down. Now we can take our concealer brush, put a little bit of it on our lids, tap it out, and that's gonna give a great base for your eyeshadow color, which will make it pop out a lot more. Make sure to use your fingers. It always melts the makeup into the skin. Since it is Valentine's Day, I'm gonna go with a more pink look. I like to pat on the eyeshadow first, just to make sure it's set. And then I will go in circular motions and I will worry less about the fallout. Don't be afraid to mix this color into the crease color, but do not go all the way up into the brow bone. I'm now going back in with my transition color to blend in with the color on my lid. We want to make sure everything is blended and lift the corners because we always want our eyes lifted. Now for the bottom waterline, I'm going to go in with the deeper eyeshadow color. And I'm just going to work it right into the bottom lash line. Now for eyeliner. If you're a beginner, then you can always start off with a pencil, then smoke it out to get a nice winged look. And if you're more comfortable, then feel free to go in with the gel or liquid liner. I always love to start off with the pencil first, smoke it out, then go in with the liquid liner. And this gives me more control of the shape that I would like. I like to take the excess of whatever's on my brush and just slightly bring it into my inner corner. That way I can have a cat eye effect when it is thinner in the inner corner and thicker at the outer corner. Now that you have your base, you can go in with the gel liner or liquid liner if you feel comfortable. If not, you can always go in with the black eyeshadow. This will give your bottom lashes an illusion of it being filled more. Next is a lighter shade of eyeliner in your waterline. I love to make the illusion of my eyes looking bigger. I'm just going to slightly pull down on my lid and apply. Now curling your lashes. Then mascara. Now I'm ready to add lashes. I'm just going to take a little bit of lash glue on the back of my hand and apply it with the tip of the lash glue onto the edge of my lashes. On your lashes, you can always look down into a mirror and place it. And now we have that flirty look. Last step, one more coat of mascara. And voila, all done with the eyes. Now I'm lining my lips. For my bottom lips, I always follow my natural lip line, but for my top lip, I always like to go a little bit over. Now, lipstick. With the brush, I'm just going to blend my lipstick into my lip liner. Now I'm going to clean up with concealer and then add a gloss. And for the last step, a cleanup with concealer. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching and doing your makeup with me. If you want to see more of my work, find me on Instagram at Tatiyana Elisa. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, stay beautiful. I talk a lot with my hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like that video? Make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking left. And for more awesome content, click right. To schedule your free consultation for any of our services, click the on-screen link. What are you waiting for?